Tamachichi Chapter 3 Faithful Trader. Tamachichi wanted to make sure there was peace with the new settlers, so he called a meeting of all the Creek leaders in Georgia. He told them that Oglethorpe and the English settlers wanted to live near them in peace. From then on, the Yamacraw, the Creek, and the new settlers traded goods with each other. Tamachichi thought it was important to learn the language of the settlers. He introduced Oglethorpe to his young nephew, Tunahawi. Tamachichi asked Oglethorpe to teach English to Tunahawi. Oglethorpe said he would. On this page right here, we notice that Tamachichi shows respect in a few different ways. He shows respect to the English settlers because he wants his nephew to learn English, and he agrees that they can teach him English so that way someone in his family knows the same language that the settlers speak. So that is an example of how Tamachichi shows respect, and that is a character trait we're going to be seeing today. This is a picture of Tamachichi and his nephew that he wanted to learn English. In 1734, Oglethorpe invited Tamachichi to visit England with him. Tamachichi, his wife, Tahanui, and other Yamacraw made the trip. Tamachichi met many leaders in England. He wanted new rules for trade. He also wanted to make sure the English treated his people fairly. Right here we see a picture or a painting of Oglethorpe. He's right here. They're pointing to him, Oglethorpe, Tamachichi, and Tahanui. On this page right here, we see how Oglethorpe also showed the character trait of respect, because he invited Tamachichi and others to come to England to talk with the king, and he wanted to make sure that they were involved in the process, and that shows respect for others that Oglethorpe had towards Tamachichi. Tamachichi also met King George II and Queen Caroline. As a symbol of peace, Tamachichi gave 3 eagle feathers to the king to show their respect. The king and queen gave Tatanui a gold watch. The meeting was an important moment. Each leader showed his respect for the other leader. In the pictures below, we can see that this is a picture of what the gold watch might have looked like that was given to Tatanui. Right here is a painting that shows Tamachichi, his wife, and his nephew at a meeting in England. On this page right here, we see Tamachichi showing respect for the king and queen by giving a gift. And the king and queen are also showing respect by giving a gift as well. So on this page is another example of how Tamachichi showed respect.